3, 2, 1.
Good day, everyone. GarageKing here, and Happy New Year to you all. Welcome to the Snap-on January 2026 sales flyer of the month. Sorry, I didn't get it out a little bit early, but I think it was just due to the mail system. I just got it today, so I'm putting it out the same day. Anyway, we got some good stuff, so let's get right into it. First page here, not of interest, but I'll go over it anyway. These are more or less shop tools. There is no price. They're going to be very expensive. Here we have an advanced battery system tester with a printer. Doesn't say how much it is. Here we got one of these big boosters you can wheel around the shop, you know. And lastly, over here, we have an engine starter plus with AGM. It's going to be quite expensive. Actually, kind of looks like a toaster at the top, but I know it's not a toaster. And then down here, we just have some advertising. So let's just keep moving. Exciting stuff, new products. So here we have a 7-piece half-inch drive, 6-point metric, long-reach, low-profile swivel impact socket set. That is $815, and you do get the 13 to 19 mil sockets in a storage tray. It says this can be used for a wide variety of work to save yourself some time, you know, getting around suspension components, CV axle, stuff like that. I can definitely see these coming in handy, especially for hub and bearing assemblies, trying to get them out. If anyone has used them, please let me know. They are a new product. I think I've seen individual ones on the truck before, but maybe just as a set now they're considered a new product. If we look over here, they got some fancy writing. They're saying they have their proprietary pin welding process eliminates the pin collar. Now, I think what they're referring to there is this collar here. So on an older snap-on socket, you have this collar here and it can get loose and spin. They're eliminating that on all their new sockets. Anyway, mine are all old, so mine have all of these collars on them. Next up, we have a 725 lumen low pivot shop light. $210. I am not going to buy it, and I'll tell you exactly why, because I love snap-on lights, but I just bought one. I'll put up the link if you want. You can see. Anyway, I can't be buying lights every month. Bought one last month. That's good enough for me. I just got to wait a few months before I grab another one. Next up, we have a relay bypass master kit set. Now, this one is $304, and Snap-on does have a patent on it. It's got universal terminal adapter, will accommodate both 0.187 inch and a 1/4 inch style receptacles to connect to almost any automotive circuit. Split wire design allows the user to easily connect clamp amp to view current readings while activating circuit. That is pretty cool. So here's your pieces, and then you connect it to the tool. I did find something very similar on Amazon the other day when I was just doing some drift click, and I don't know if it's the same as this, but I was actually thinking of something like this, and it's just ironic it's in the flyer now. I'll put the link in the description for the Amazon, but it can't be the same as the Snap-on one because Snap-on has a patent. Anyway, it just can't be. Let's get on to the next page. Hot Tools exclusives number 1. So first of all, we do have the 3/4 drive Monster Lithium cordless impact wrench. That's a big tool, 3/4 inch. Save up to $135. It still is $870. You got 1,300 foot-pounds of torque, so this is super beefy if you want to take off really tight bolts. Kind of like the center bolt of a crankshaft in a water boxer. Honda bolts are pretty tight as well. Anyway, next up we have a Super Duty air hammer. It is $765. You do get pretty much $100 off. I bought mine years ago for a couple $100. This is one tool I will stand behind. It has served me well. It just works really well. I bought a cheap one and it didn't work that well. I bought this one and I've never had to replace it, never had an issue with it, and it works fantastico. Next up over here, we have a grease gun. This is a 14.4 volt, $555. You get $45 off. If you have a trade-in, I wouldn't buy something like this. Leave it to the shop unless you're doing like tons of grease jobs, you know, but even most suspension these days, you can't even grease them. And what do we got here? Just a bigger version. It's not shown. This is an 18 volt. Here we got some exciting tools here. So buy and get. So 1 horsepower heavy duty right angle die grinder, $645. You buy that for $645 and you get the 1 horsepower heavy duty die grinder, the straight one, for free, which is worth $525. This is something I've wanted for a while. Just couldn't pull the plug on it because I didn't want to spend that much on one tool, but you know what? It may be time to put the old Chicago pneumatic out to pasture to retire. This has done me well. This is a really, really old tool and it never fails, but I really wanted a Snap-on one. And if they're that good, please leave them in the comments below because this is something I'm really thinking of getting because it's basically half price. $300 will get you the set. Anyway, let's move on, everybody. So up here we have Hot Tools exclusives number 2. So we got a whole bunch of oil filter tools and stuff for oil filters. What's new in 2026 is now they're having save 15% today. They're not like before they would vary a little bit. Now they're just 15% off. So anyway, we have this tool right here. So that is, if we can get some focus, a 6-inch strap wrench. It is a Blue Point, $32.94 down from $38. It's 19 millimeters wide. That's the thickness. And if you want a little bit thinner one, a 1/2 inch or 13 mil, it's going to cost you $23.80. Number B is a 14-piece heavy-duty end cap wrench set. It is Blue Point, $338. That's what it looks like over there. These are super handy. Now mine here are by AST, and this kit is a lot cheaper than the Snap-on, and it works like a charm. I absolutely love it. I believe most of the pieces are actually made in the USA for this kit. So I really like this kit, and I use it a lot. Next up is letter C. We all know what these are. These are oil filter wrenches. What are they on sale for? They are $150 for a 4-piece Blue Point. You know what, to be honest, I don't even use this style anymore. This is the one that I use, honestly, about 90% of the time. It opens up and it pretty much gets everything. You know what's funny, when I was trying to prepare for this video, I even found these old ones. I don't even know if they sell them anymore. And lo and behold, I think they are made by Blue Point. Yeah, these are Blue Point. I actually have 2 of them. This is a smaller one, then I have a bigger one. I don't even know if they still make these, but I don't use them anymore. I used to use them all the time on Fords when I worked at the Ford dealership. Anyway, I just thought that was kind of interesting. I thought they were knockoffs or some no-name brand, but no, I actually bought Blue Point back in the day. So sorry about going off track there. Next is letter D. Letter D right here. We have the 4-piece oil fuel filter socket set that is $224.61. And you get the 24, 27, 35, and 36 millimeter and the 1 1/4 inch oil filters right there. And then last up, we have these big pliers. That is letter E. And there is a number of different sizes you can see here. The one shown here, it's $105 down from $124. Then you can see here's one, now it's not shown, $92. That's from 2 1/4 to 4 inch. $67 will get you 2 1/2 to 5 1/4 inch. And then 4 1/4 to 7 inch, that's a big one. That's gonna cost you $142. Now, I did buy one of these sets of pliers before because I got them on sale. Not Blue Point, full disclosure. They are made in the USA though. These ones are by Channel Lock, I believe. And you know what? I just don't use them. Maybe it's because mine are a different shape of these and I find they slip, they don't hold. I think I used them once. You can see there's the jaws, used maybe once. But anyway, I don't like them. Maybe it's because I cheaped out and I didn't get the good ones. You tell me. Let's turn the page. Drivers, start your engines. So here we just have some stuff that you can win. Phase 1, Phase 2. You can see there's the dates, last chance to enter. It's February 20th, 2026. This one's April 10th. This one is in Wisconsin. This one is in North Carolina. You get a tour of the plants, the respective plants. You get some tours and you get a Penske race experience. So pretty cool stuff. How to play, you got to go see your dealer, give them all your information and enter. So that's what's on these pages. Let's just keep moving along, everybody. Hot Tools exclusives number 3, grow your socket drawer. So these are BOGOs, gotta love it. They are 3/8 drive, these BOGOs. So you're gonna buy the 12-piece 3/8 drive, 6-point metric. What do they want? These are the deeps, 540, and that includes 18 to 19 millimeters, so a good size set. And what are you gonna get? You are gonna get same 18 to 19 millimeters, but you're gonna get the extra deep socket. Next up here, we have the semi-deeps. Same thing, 8 to 19 millimeter, 444. And you are going to get the extra semi-deep socket set, which would be regular 505, 8 to 19 millimeter sockets again. Another BOGO down here. So this would be the shallow sockets, 359, 8 to 19 millimeter, 12 piece. And then over here, you're gonna get the extra shallow socket set, which is regular 408. Now, one thing I don't have with my sockets is the 3/8 deep in chrome. I got them in Impact here, the Snap-on Impact. There's not much chrome there. Those are just cheapos. But I do really like the Snap-on shallows. I use these ones all the time. These are my Snap-on shallows. I use them all the time. For the Imperial fractional sizes, I just have off-brand because I barely ever use them. But I don't have 3/8 chrome, so maybe I gotta look into that. And these are all quarters. And these are all quarters as well. But yeah, I don't have much 3/8, surprisingly, because 3/8 is really what you use most. So let's get to the next page. Hot Tools exclusives number 4. So we got our butane torches, say 15%. So instead of, what is that, $173, you're only going to pay $147. This is a bigger one, flame adjust up to 4.5 inch. You want to step it down a little bit to a 3.5 inch. $110 on sale. And this is a mini one here. And it would be, the adjustable flame would be 25 to 125 watts equivalent. That one is $70. And over here we have a butane gas soldering iron kit with the equivalent of 25 to 130 watts. That one is on for $277, and you get to choose your color. Let's turn the page, everybody. Let's see what else we got in this flyer. The job may vary, their superiority does not. So here Snap-on has their 5 scanners listed, and they got them broken down into whatever category you think you would fall in. They are fairly expensive, and you see your dealer for that, and you probably make payments for quite some time. Next up, dependable performance under pressure. So we have some air compressors, and again, these are shop tools, and they don't have any prices, probably because they're pretty expensive. This one was actually pretty interesting, and the way they took the picture, it says it's a 2-stage. And I thought originally when I looked at this, I thought it was just single compressor, but if you turn it, it's probably just an inline 2. There's mine in the shop, and I like the V style, maybe because it reminds me of a V8 engine, I don't know. So I guess Snap-on's going to inline now. Anyway, I just thought that was an interesting thing to take note of. You know what? That's it for the flyer of the month. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them below. I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year. GarageKing over and out, and I will see you again.